Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Roblox not loading in PC. If you're trying to open the Roblox or maybe you're trying to open any of the games and it is not working, maybe you get any sort of error or it doesn't load. So I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. Roblox not getting load is a very general issue and there could be different reasons behind it. Maybe you don't have a good internet access, the game is out of date so you have to update it, or maybe there's some sort of error where you have to fix the game. So first you have to make sure that you have a good access to internet. If your internet is not working properly or the speed is slow, then there will be issue in the loading. So make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi because Roblox requires good access of internet because it connects you to the game server, so you need a good Wi-Fi for that. The other thing could be your app is not updated. So for that you have to make sure you have given it the access for auto update. Usually this is the default option, but if you still have it you can just simply do it into its settings. But let's say it's still not working. In that case you just have to simply go to your install apps and you have to uninstall and reinstall it. Doing it, there are chances that your issue will be resolved. Reason for uninstall and reinstall is that maybe it has lost some of its package while in the loading or the downloading, or maybe you have deleted some files so some of the file got deleted. So what you can do is that you can uninstall and reinstall it. The other thing you can do is restarting your PC. Maybe there's some sort of issue with your PC. In that case just simply do a quick restart and you will notice the issue will be resolved. The other thing is that if you're using any sort of VPN or any sort of firewall, then this could be the issue. So for that reason, you just have to simply turn them off and just simply start using it. Either you uninstall and reinstall it, connect to a good Wi-Fi. One more thing you can try is log out and log in again, because there's sometimes a lot of cache has been collected and there's no such option to delete it. So the best way to delete that cache or remove it is by logging out and logging in again. This will actually release all of the unused or unwanted cache and the issue will get resolved. The other main reason could be your PC. Your system does not support any sort of gaming. Maybe it is too old, or maybe the processing system is not that much fast or not capable of loading the game. Maybe it used to do it before, but with the time the Roblox is getting updates, their system is getting much more complex. So for that reason, your system or your PC is now not working onto it. So for that you just have to simply update your PC. So these could be some possible reasons behind this issue, because this one is not a very technical issue. This is a very general, or you can say a glitch. So trying out different things like checking the internet or maybe the VPN or reinstalling the app, logging out and login, or maybe trying out different things can fix this issue. So you can just start by checking your internet, then you can go for logout and login, and the last thing you can try is the uninstall and reinstall of the app. So that's it. This is how you can fix Roblox not loading in your PC. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, you can also leave a comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.